everybody, here's another episode of Pokemon Emerald. And last time, some of our Pokemon died. As in, what's his face in the other one? Glalie and Lanny. And it's quite sad. But we got our first gym badge. As you can see, I added them. The gym badge to the right side. And I took out the Pokemon and put them in the graveyard that died. Quite sad. Okay, but we beat the first gym, which is great. But now I have to train my Jack. He has pretty good attack, I think, so it won't be too hard. Hello. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. And I'm gonna try. Wait, no, I should train my Pokemon over here. And yeah, I'm gonna train them over here. Because the Pokemon are weaker. And Jack needs training. Oops. Why do I still have them? They have to go to the grave. Sorry, I almost used these Pokemon. Just trying to get ahead in life. Wait, what? No, they go into the grave. I wish I could use my Blastoise. Okay, so now that's in the grave. Let's go train a little bit. And I'll stop talking now and add some music. Be right back. Okay, so that was a horrible idea. That was not expected. And another Pokemon in the grave. Be right back. Okay, we're back. And that was horrible. Wasn't expecting that. He died. Now we're with our starter again. Heracross. I think I could have had Vigorous. Okay, stop battling. How come it's always first of all forms I'm finding in here? But that was really unexpected. I didn't know that my Slakoth was gonna die there. But it's okay because we still have one Pokemon at least. I need to catch another one so I can stay in this if Heracross dies. But yeah. As you can see, I added Slakoth to our Great Box because I only have one Pokemon. No. So annoying. Hello, man. Pico's in there. I'll save your Pico. I want about the bird. Hiya. I can kill you. One Pokemon. Just one Pokemon I have right now. I have one. It's my best one. Glalie was good, but Heracross is better. Now let's just keep these Pokemon alive and we'll be good. Or this one Pokemon alive. Should I do some training or anything? I don't know if I want to do training ever since that happened. I'm scared if it's going to happen again. Okay, so we're gonna go to his house, I think. Let's go. Terrified me going in your house. Blah 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 blah. I don't care. Give me something. Do you not have anything to give me? Because if you don't, you're worthless. Whatever. This is probably my least favorite episode so far. Because of what had to happen. Stupid red, you rock. Hi, mister. I'll skip some of this. Because this part's boring. Blah blah blah. I don't care. I got a letter in the Pokénav. I never really used a Pokénav. Okay, bye. Well, now that, what shall I work on developing next? Company allows us to make our inspirations into reality. One can voice visually. Hey, that's like the dream world thing in black and white. Cool, cool. Oh my gosh, and I'm gonna have to verse May, and I think, whatever her name is, I think she's gonna have a Torkoal. Looks like I'm gonna have to train. It works. See ya. I'm gonna train my Pokemon over here. I'm gonna train Heracross to level 20. So I'll train him to level 18. I'll be right back. And when he's level 18, we'll go battle May. Okay, and we're back to Pokemon. I just have to level him up until he is a high enough level. I have my potions with me, and my Heracross is level. Maybe one more level. Yeah, one more level just to be safe. Be right back. Okay, I think we're ready now, and let's get to it. Heracross, you better not die, or else I'll murder you again. Let's just hope she has pretty weak Pokemon, I think. Let's save here. No. Yes, let's battle. Kill it. Yes! Yes! No damage. That's perfect. I didn't think that would happen. Just perfect damage all the way. Amazing. Okay, so let's move on to this second gym. And we can battle him in a couple episodes. Okay, let's go. So now I know that you have to train your Pokemon better. And if there's a Pokemon that, oh, Bacon. Dad, why you name it Bacon? 'Cause you love bacon, son. Oh yeah. Okay, bye. Let's go. Okay, that's all. If you have a feeling that guy gives me a fishing rod. You give me a fishing rod? No, you want to battle me. Dana Moles. Yum. Cool. I'm gonna be posting an episode today. Yay. Tackle. Just tackle kills you because you suck. Jeez, he already has 62 HP. I think you get the fishing rod here. Like from someone like this. Yes, I did get rod. I'm not gonna do any of that things like on the like more professional YouTube videos where it's like Pokemon of this area. I'm just gonna fish and try and remember it. And if you see me do it wrong, just tell me. And I'll fix it and I'll release the Pokemon. Dot dot dot. Oh, I got it. What is it? What is it? Ooh, this is going to be good for this gym. Let's just try and catch it right off the bat because any of my moves will kill it. Let's use a Great Ball. Please catch. No. Okay, Pokeball, let's see if you do better. No. Okay, my last Great Ball. Okay, let's use a potion. Ooh, use growl more, use growl. Use growl, come on. Yes! Growl is what I want. Growl is what I want, what I really want. Don't kill it. Yes. Use one more growl, please. Just one more. No, I said growl. No! What did I do? That's horrible. Okay, so now it's even. Again. Let's use this. And you use growl. Okay? No, I said you use growl. Yes! Can I be safe and wait for one more growl? Yes, I will. Because that leer did something to it. Come on, I want this duo. This is one of my favorite Pokemon, especially when it learns Tri-Attack. Please don't kill it, please don't kill it, please don't kill it. Okay, I'll just fish here now. We have to speed this up a little bit because it's nearing the end of the episode. Be more patient. Yes, what Pokemon is it? Beldum. That's not going to be good at this gym. I don't want Beldum. This episode is going to be going a little bit longer than usual. Ooh, new route. Come on. Yes. Why do I keep finding Pokemon that are going to be useless at this gym? Oh yeah. Typhlosion all the way. Come on, baby. You know you want to come with me. Oh no, it's burned. Catch. No. I think I can try one more time. Come on. No. Come on. Yes. Yes. I got a Typhlosion. One of the best Pokemon ever. Be right back. Okay, so we got Typhlosion. This is awesome. What shall we name it? Or her, actually. She looks like a Stacy. Beautiful name, beautiful name. Well, I think we're going to end the episode off here. And I would like to say, have a nice day. See ya.